Imagine it as a mini spa treatment for our kidneys, making sure they're relaxed and working seamlessly. And then there's lycopene, the ingredient that paints watermelon its rich red color. But it's not just about the color. Lycopene is a powerful antioxidant, providing an added layer of protection against those pesky free radicals. It's like having a security system, making sure our kidneys are safe and sound. 8. Pomegranates. Whenever I think of pomegranates, I picture those ruby-like arrows bursting with juicy goodness. But it's not just about the taste. These jewels have been renowned for their health benefits for centuries. They come armed with vitamin C and flavonoids. And these are like the dynamic duo for your immune system. A strong immune system means fewer chances of infections, especially for your kidneys. Now, maintaining a healthy blood pressure is kind of like ensuring the plumbing in your house works efficiently, and pomegranates play an essential role here. Thanks to their rich dietary fiber, they help keep your blood pressure levels in check, ensuring that the kidneys function optimally. Being diuretic, pomegranates have this amazing knack for promoting urine production, acting like a natural cleanser for your kidneys. This means they aid in flushing out stuff we don't want, like excess salts and toxins. But wait, there's a special shout out to ellagic tannins found in These compounds are like the secret agents of the fruit world. They come loaded with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, taking care of inflammation and ensuring your kidneys stay in great shape. So the next time you dive into a bowl of pomegranate arrows, know that you're doing wonders for your kidneys. 9. Papaya. On to another tropical favorite. Papayas. Soft, buttery, and oh so sweet. These fruits are a treat to our taste buds. And guess what? They have an enzyme called papain. This enzyme has made quite a name for itself, thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties. Apart from papain, papayas are like the nutrient-rich treasure troves of the fruit world. They're loaded with vitamins A and C, which act as the body's defenders against oxidative stress. And then there's folate, a rather special nutrient. Folate is like the behind-the-scenes hero. It aids in producing glutathione, another powerful antioxidant. It also assists in breaking down homocysteine. High levels of homocysteine? Not good news for the kidneys or the heart. So integrating papayas into your diet is like taking out an insurance policy against various health issues. 10. Kiwi. Don't be fooled by their small size. Kiwis are like nature's vitamin-packed capsules. First, they are rich in vitamin C. This nutrient is an antioxidant and plays a vital role in safeguarding our kidneys from potential harm due to free radicals. Vitamin C also bolsters our immune system, providing a defense shield against infections. Kiwis also contain vitamin K and vitamin E, another set of antioxidants that keep our cells, including those in our kidneys, safe from oxidative damage. Plus, their natural potassium content ensures the right balance of electrolytes in our body, promoting healthy kidney function. Another feather in the kiwi's cap is its dietary fiber. This helps in promoting healthy digestion, ensuring smoother waste elimination. Think of it like a gentle cleanse for your system, supporting your kidneys in their detox process. 11. Grapes are like nature's tiny powerhouses, especially the red and purple varieties. You might pop them in your mouth as a tasty snack, but they're doing a lot more than just satisfying your taste buds. They're loaded with a compound called resveratrol, which is a type of polyphenol. Now, resveratrol deserves its moment in the spotlight because it's a fantastic antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent. It's like the guardian angel for your kidneys, shielding them from potential harm and those pesky free radicals. Grapes are also packing a punch with vitamin C and other antioxidants. These nutrients team up to create a force field of sorts, making sure your kidneys stay in tip-top shape. And here's a cool fact. Grapes have diuretic properties. That means they can help increase urine production, which is a fancy way of saying they assist your kidneys in flushing out toxins. So next time you enjoy some grapes, know that you're giving your kidneys a helping hand. 12. Bananas. These vibrant yellow delights are like nature's energy bars, and they're not just delicious. They're incredibly nutritious too. First up, we've got vitamin B6, which plays a pivotal role in neutralizing harmful substances in your body. Think of it as your body's cleanup crew, ensuring that no troublemakers linger around. Then there's the trusty vitamin C again, working its antioxidant magic. But the real superstar in bananas is potassium. While too much potassium can be a bit much for kidneys that are already struggling for most folks. Now, while we're talking about the goodness inside these juicy fruits, we can't overlook the vitamins and minerals packed into every apple. One mineral to spotlight here is potassium. It's kind of like a tightrope walk when it comes to our kidneys. Too much, and it's problematic. Too little, and it's not beneficial. But apples strike the right balance. They offer just the right amount of potassium to benefit kidney health without going overboard. A medium-sized apple provides about 5% of the daily potassium requirement. This moderate amount can help regulate blood pressure, which in turn supports the kidneys in functioning optimally. Apples also bring fiber to the table. This dietary fiber acts like a natural broom, sweeping through our system, cleaning up waste products as it goes along. It's especially useful in preventing those pesky kidney stones. Think of fiber as the unsung hero that helps keep our internal system neat and tidy. 4. Cherries. When we talk about cherries, they aren't just a delightful treat on a warm summer day. These ruby red fruits do wonders for our kidney health. First and foremost, cherries act as natural diuretics. Now, what does that mean? Well, think of it as a mini cleanse for your kidneys. This diuretic effect ensures that any nasty toxins and waste products are flushed out of your kidneys, making sure they're in tip-top shape to carry out their functions. And if that wasn't impressive enough, let's talk about the antioxidants present in cherries. They are teeming with anthocyanins, catechins, and flavonoids. Now, you might wonder, why should I care about these fancy names? Here's the deal. These compounds are like the bodyguards for your kidneys, guarding them from potential damage caused by harmful free radicals. Additionally, cherries wave their magic wand and help reduce inflammation. This means that they can be a real lifesaver for kidneys that are feeling a bit overwhelmed. And if you're still not sold, cherries have yet another card up their sleeve: their potassium content. This helps ensure everything in the body, from fluid levels to blood pressure, is just right. It's almost like cherries have this innate ability to know exactly what our kidneys need and offer it on a silver platter. 5. Strawberries. Now, who doesn't love a fresh bowl of strawberries? These sweet and tangy fruits are more than just a delightful snack. They're a powerhouse when it comes to kidney health. Strawberries come loaded with antioxidants, particularly polyphenols and our good old friend, vitamin C. These compounds are the unsung heroes that fight off oxidative stress caused by harmful free radicals. Think of them as the caped crusaders of the fruit world. Just like cherries, strawberries also wear the hat of natural diuretics, aiding in getting rid of all those unwanted toxins. And there's a bonus. The vitamin C in strawberries isn't just there to fight off colds. It plays a vital role in bolstering your immune system and promotes collagen production. This collagen ensures that the structure and function of the kidneys remain robust. Strawberries have a secret weapon, ellagic acid. This compound, unique to strawberries, is like the Swiss Army knife for your kidneys. It boasts anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can act as a protective shield against inflammation and potential kidney diseases. Talk about a fruit that packs a punch. 6. Pineapple. For starters, they come equipped with bromelain, a special enzyme that's a godsend for our kidneys. This enzyme is like a little firefighter, battling inflammation and ensuring our kidneys are thriving. But the fun doesn't stop there. Pineapples are brimming with vitamin C, which is like a protective shield for your kidneys, warding off oxidative stress. This vitamin also plays a significant role in bolstering our immune system, making sure we're fighting fit. The cherry, or should I say pineapple, on top is its high water content. Hydration is key to healthy kidney function. And what better way to stay hydrated than by munching on juicy pineapples? They not only satisfy your taste buds, but also help in flushing out toxins. It's a win-win. So next time you're shopping for fruits, don't just walk past the pineapples. Invite them into your diet and let them work their magic. 7. Watermelon. When we think of summer, what's the first fruit that comes to mind? Watermelon, of course. This juicy fruit is a real treat on those sweltering days, but there's more to it than just its deliciousness. With a whopping 92% water content, watermelon is nature's very own hydration station. This hydration is crucial for our kidneys, ensuring they have enough water to flush out toxins and waste. Watermelon houses a unique nutrient called. This little gem is like the unsung hero for our blood vessels, helping them relax and ensuring smooth blood flow to the kidneys. 15 fruits that help you cleanse your kidneys fast. The kidneys are like the unsung heroes of our body, working in the background. They perform essential functions like filtering waste, keeping our fluid levels in check, and even playing a role in regulating our blood pressure. Just like any superhero, though, they're not invincible. Bad habits like indulging in a poor diet, skimping on hydration, and being exposed to environmental pollutants can put extra strain on them. Now, if you're sitting there thinking, what can I do to help my kidneys out? You're in luck. Mother Nature has blessed us with a variety of fruits that can do wonders for our kidney health. Let's dive into 15 of these fruits that'll act as a natural detox for your kidneys. 1. Cranberries. These tiny, tart fruits pack a lot more punch than most of us give them credit for. You might have known that cranberries are good for you, but the depth of their benefits is truly impressive. For starters, cranberries contain some unique compounds known as prothocyanidins. Sounds fancy, right? Well, these compounds are superstars when it comes to fighting bacteria. In particular, they're like kryptonite to the E. coli bacteria. What they do is pretty nifty. They prevent the bacteria from sticking to the walls of our urinary tract and kidneys. This simple action can be a game changer because it substantially lowers the risk of getting urinary tract infections. So by just incorporating cranberries into your diet, you're giving your kidneys a protective shield against these pesky invaders. These red gems are also kind of like a spa treatment for our kidneys. They support the cleansing process, ensuring our kidneys are working in tip-top shape. It's like giving your kidneys a refreshing detox. And if you thought we were done singing the praises of cranberries, think again. These fruits are also bursting with antioxidants. They're especially rich in quercetin, vitamin C, A, and E. If you're wondering why that's a big deal, it's because these antioxidants are like the body's defense team. They combat free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can cause harm to our cells, including those in the kidneys. It's like having a tiny army inside you, guarding your cells from potential harm. They naturally increase reproduction. This might sound a bit weird at first, but think about it. With more urine, the body can more easily get rid of wastes and toxins. It's like giving your kidneys a helping hand in their daily cleaning job. 2. Blueberries, often dubbed as superfoods, really are tiny powerhouses when it comes to health benefits. And the good news is, they're just as kind to our kidneys as their cranberry cousins. Like cranberries, blueberries have that nifty diuretic property. This means that when you munch on these little blue wonders, you're helping your body increase. More urine essentially means a more efficient way for your body to wash out unwanted waste and toxins. So in a way, when you're eating blueberries, you're giving your body a mini detox session. But there's another superhero component in blueberries: polyphenols. These aren't your everyday nutrients. Polyphenols are like the body's peacekeepers. They step in when there's too much inflammation going on in the body. And you might wonder, why is inflammation a big deal? Well, too much inflammation can be like a wrench in the gears of our kidneys, making them work less efficiently. So by eating blueberries, you're essentially sending in these peacekeeper polyphenols to ensure everything stays calm and the kidneys function smoothly. Here's something you might not have thought about: potassium levels. You see, while potassium is essential for our body, having too much of it, especially when there are kidney issues, is not ideal. It's a bit like having a party with too many guests. Things can get overwhelming. But here's where blueberries come to the rescue. They're low in potassium, which makes them a fantastic food choice for those who need to keep an eye on their potassium intake. It's like enjoying a party with just the right number of guests. You get all the fun, or in this case, nutrients, without any of the chaos. 3. Apples. There's a reason the old saying goes, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. And when it comes to our kidneys, this rings especially true. When you bite into that crispy apple, you're actually getting a mouthful of hydration. Believe it or not, apples are made up of about 85% water. That's right, each bite is like giving your kidneys a little splash of goodness. We all know how important it is to stay hydrated. Our kidneys, in particular, thrive when we have a good fluid intake. It's like running a cleaning cycle in a machine. The more water we drink, the more efficiently we can flush out those unwanted toxins and waste products from our body. And apples are like a bonus hydration booster. It's a real boon. It helps maintain the delicate balance of fluids in your body and ensures that your muscles are firing on all cylinders. Plus, it plays a role in regulating blood pressure, which is essential for overall kidney health. 13. Avocado. Creamy, delicious, and not just for guacamole, though who could resist that? Avocados are like the cool, laid-back guardians of your kidneys. They're chock full of healthy fats, especially oleic acid, which has some serious anti-inflammatory properties. This means your kidneys can relax, free from the clutches of harmful inflammation. And it's a small but important. But avocados are also on the richer side when it comes to potassium. So if you've got kidney issues, moderation is key here. However, for most folks, avocados are a nutrient goldmine. You've got vitamins C, E, and K in there, all working together to ensure your kidneys function like a well-oiled machine. 14. Mango. When it comes to mangoes, we're not just talking about the deliciousness factor here. These tropical delights are like the royalty of fruits, and they've got a lot more to offer than just their sweet, juicy flavor. First off, mangoes are jam-packed with two powerhouse vitamins, A and C. Now, these vitamins aren't just your average nutrients. They're antioxidants in disguise, superheroes that swoop in to save the day by battling those pesky free radicals. You see, free radicals are like tiny troublemakers that can cause damage to your kidneys over time. But mangoes, with their generous dose of vitamins A and C, are like a shield against these troublemakers. They help protect your kidneys from oxidative stress, which is a fancy way of saying they keep your kidneys healthy and functioning at their best. Mangoes aren't just content with being antioxidant heroes. They're also loaded with dietary fiber. Fiber is like your digestive system's best friend. It helps things move along smoothly, ensuring that waste gets eliminated efficiently. So while mangoes are satisfying your taste buds, they're also keeping your digestion on track, which indirectly benefits your kidneys. Magnesium and potassium, two more gems found in mangoes. These minerals are essential for maintaining the delicate balance of fluids in your body. When your fluids are in harmony, your kidneys can do their job without any hiccups. So thanks to mangoes, you're not just enjoying a tasty treat, you're also giving your kidneys a helping hand in keeping that fluid balance in check. 15. Oranges, like mangoes, have a superhero of their own, vitamin C. This vitamin is a potent antioxidant, just like the ones in mangoes. It's on a mission to protect your kidneys from oxidative stress, making sure they stay in tip-top shape. But oranges have another trick up their sleeve. They contain citrate. Citrate is like the bouncer at a club, keeping unwanted guests, red kidney stones, from crashing the party. It's known to help prevent the formation of those painful kidney stones that no one wants to deal with. However, there's a tiny caveat here, especially for folks with kidney issues. Oranges, as delicious as they are also quite rich in potassium. While potassium is generally a good thing for your body, too much of it can be a bit overwhelming for your kidneys, especially if they're not functioning at their best. So if you're in that boat, it's wise to enjoy your oranges in moderation.